Hello everyone, welcome to how to install your Twitch bot for the Vector Twitch integration. Now, I could make a guide on how to install the SDK, but most of you already said I know how to install the SDK, I have it installed, it's not that hard. Fine, so we're just going to do the step 2 thing. First off, I will show you here, this is the how to make a custom chatbot for Twitch, which explains everything, but I'll just explain the steps needed in between. First off, before you even do anything, my G drive wasn't working. First off, see these environments? Ignore them, those don't work right now. The first thing you have to do is get Node.js, which is this. So pretty much first you go to run your bot locally. It has to be local. So you get Node.js, get the 10.16 version, because that's the version I'm running as well. You download it, you install it, and then you get the Node.js command prompt over here. This is important for later, but before you go, so when that's installed, you start that one up. It's a command prompt of its own. You do need to use this command prompt to start the chatbot. Then run the command like npm install tmi. This will update it. So npm install tmi.js. Now this will install it somewhere else. Do not install it there. Install it. This needs to be installed on the folder where you have the bot saved. In my case, that's in my G drive, which is in the Scott Mallers cd Scott Mallers. Oops. cd Scott Mallers, and it's in there. Install the npm in this one. Then I do npm install tmi.ds, and when that's done, you have to, that means the bot has been installed and you can run the bot already, but you need to now go into the folder where you have the bot and the extension installed, and then right click constant and edit with something like Notepad++. I recommend Notepad++. You will open the constants file right here, and here you have to enter your bot username. That's the username it will use. Use your own username, but you can make a custom username for this. The channel name, which is the channel you want it on, and the authorization code. The authorization code can only be found here with the oath ticket, which you have to click on twitchat.com/tmi. And as you can see, this is my key. My key is randomized, so that will change every time. And you have to get it over here. You click on it, you go connect, and you get a key. And you have to copy the paste into the OAuth token. If it's blurred in the video, I'm sorry, you're not allowed to use my code, but you have to put it in here. Just so you know. So, when that's done with all the constants, it should be fine to go. But if there's still problems, find the SDK config.ini, because Vector has the ability to change IPs a lot. Here's my Vector. Again, this is probably blurred out because I don't want you guys to know that. But the IP here will always change. And if the IP changes, you just have to you either have to restart the whole SDK setup, or just change the SDK.config into whatever IP Vector has, and the commands will start working. In my case, I'm double checking. In my case, the IP has changed to 12, so I need to change that and save. After you've done that, if you change the constant to this, the save and quit, remember to save, and then open the command tab, go to the folder, and then type in node.bot.js. If you did this correctly, it will say it's connected to the Twitch. The moment it's connected to the Twitch, just go to Twitch and do... I have to start him. I have to restart my Vector. Type in hello Vector. It's not cap sensitive apparently. And then You have to check if the bot's working. I see the bot works. And that's all you need to know. And that's how you install it. So pretty much get Node.js, install it, then install the npm in the same folder. So open in the Node.js command prompt, which should be in your start menu, to install the npm in the same folder. Then change the constants into whatever it is supposed to be for you guys. So the username, the channel username, and the auth key and the authorization key, and then run the bot in the command prompt, and everything should be working automatically by then. So make sure it's in the same folder, that everything's in the same folder here, that everything is together, and just run the things. If you wanted to edit the bot yourself, you can go ahead, but this is how to set things up. Otherwise, if you have any other questions, just put them in the Reddit. I'm also on the Vector Discord. Just DM me and I will give you a step-by-step basis in person, or Tuna will do this. Otherwise, catch you all later, and enjoy your Vector streaming via Twitch.